Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Now, I get a lot of requests for Piano Man by Billy Joel, which was the first single he released in 1973. So today, we'll be looking at the harmonica solo only for this awesome song, which I've broken up into 4 easy phrases. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Here's what Piano Man looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. G, A, G, F, E, F, E. C, D, E, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, E, C, F, E, D, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6. And breathe in through 5 again. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 5. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.